why are people so important to the economy? Well, here's the 4 things that economics instructors will tell you are essential for what makes up the economy, how things get produced, how we get stuff, how we get services, how we get goods. We have land here, which is the natural resources, anything that comes from the earth, or increasingly, maybe in the future, outer space. Labor, that's people working. Capital, you might have in your accounting class, capital meaning money. In this case, capital is machinery or anything that we create in order to create something else. For example, tools, computers, software systems, things like that. We also have enterprise, which is the sometimes called entrepreneurship, and it's the collection of activities that are done to organize the other 3. It might be starting a business in the case of entrepreneurship, but enterprise can also be management decisions which put everything else together. So that's what we got. How does it all relate to people? Which of these most relates to people? Well, I would say labor relates to people pretty well, absolutely. And you have to have a manager or an entrepreneur to start something, and that would be also people. What about capital though? Well, if you have nobody to use the technology or machines that you've created, or you don't have anybody to create it in the first place, you don't have anything, so that also requires people. And the last one, land, natural resources, what we have, well, they're there anyway, even if we're not there. However, in terms of the social science of economics, if there aren't people there to manage it, to use it, then it's worthless as far as economics goes. And so there we go. This is why people are so important to the economy, and people are the economy.